Welcome back to Crypto Warehouse. In this series called Unlocking Crypto, we get Julian to ask some questions on crypto-related topics. Last week was a general crypto-related Q&A, and this week it is about Bitcoin. So Julian, can you please begin by asking your first question?
I will. Question 1. What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is one of the world's biggest cryptocurrencies, also one of the first, most recognizable. It's been around for about 14 years now, made by either a person or a group of people named Satoshi Nakamoto.
Number 2. When was it invented?
Actually, 14 years ago, January 2009 was the first transaction on the Bitcoin network.
And what was the reason for it being invented?
It was made for a universal, fast transactable currency which held its value online without being controlled by any governing body.
I hear a lot about mining it. What does mining actually mean?
Mining refers to the network of computers around the world which help to secure the network. In return for securing the network, they mine the transactions and in return are given a Bitcoin reward.
Question 5. Can I spend it, or is it really something else?
Well, Bitcoin is kind of thought of as the digital gold. However, you can use Bitcoin to buy things, either it being a transaction online for virtual goods or a service, or you can actually go into a shop if it has a Lightning network. You can use Bitcoin to buy goods, physical goods.
Question 6. As a layman, what would you compare Bitcoin to?
Bitcoin has often been referred to as digital gold. Gold, which also requires mining, it's quite a scarce resource and also holds value, or in financial terms, it's a store of value. Bitcoin is seen in a very similar way, and Bitcoin is a store of value, i.e. it will hold its value over time and won't depreciate like assets or traditional fiat currencies like pounds and dollars.
7. It's very volatile. Will this end?
Well, the larger the market cap of Bitcoin, the less volatile it'll actually be going into the future.
And finally, question 8. People talk about halving. What is that?
Halving is a term used to describe what rewards are paid to miners for securing the network, and the halving occurs every 4 years. And what happens during the halving is the rewards to the miners is reduced by half. So for example, at this moment in time, they are rewarded with about 6 Bitcoin. In February 2024, this will be reduced to just over 3 Bitcoin. And the reason that it is reduced and halved is to keep the inflation of Bitcoin down. Unlike pounds and dollars, where the inflation goes up, Bitcoin inflation naturally comes down over time.
So in a way, this is mirroring the scarcity of mining gold.
Correct. This is making Bitcoin more and more scarce. And secondly to that, not only is it becoming scarcer and scarcer to mine, the more and more people that buy and hold Bitcoin, the more valuable it will become.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And as always, Brogan.
Yeah, please make sure to subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss anything we do in the future. It really does help us out.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.